Akita training, basic commands, and obedience. Akita dogs are well known for their strong and independent nature. Originally from Japan, these majestic dogs were bred to be guard dogs and were traditionally used for hunting large game. Today, Akitas are cherished as loyal and protective family pets. However, training an Akita can be quite challenging due to their stubbornness and dominant tendencies. In this article, we will explore the basics of Akita training, specifically focusing on teaching them basic commands and obedience. 1. Start early. Training an Akita should ideally start when they are puppies. Akitas are intelligent dogs and can learn commands quickly, but early training is crucial to establish a strong foundation. Begin with simple commands such as sit, stay, and lie down. Use positive reinforcement techniques like treats and praise to reward the dog for following the commands correctly. 2. Be consistent. Consistency is key when training an Akita. These dogs respond well to a routine and can quickly become confused if the rules are not consistent. Establish a set of commands and use them consistently every time you interact with your Akita. Avoid using different words or gestures for the same command, as this can lead to misunderstandings. 3. Socialization. Akitas have a strong protective instinct, which can sometimes manifest as aggression toward strangers or other animals. Early socialization is crucial to ensure that your Akita grows up to be well-behaved and friendly. Introduce your Akita to different people, animals, and environments from an early age. Enroll them in puppy classes or socialization programs to expose them to a variety of experiences in a controlled environment. For positive reinforcement, Akitas respond best to positive reinforcement techniques. Rewarding good behavior with treats, praise, or playtime motivates them to repeat the desired actions. When teaching basic commands, reward your Akita with a treat or praise every time they follow the command correctly. Consistency and continuous positive reinforcement will help your Akita understand what is expected of them. 5. Patience and persistence. Training an Akita requires patience and persistence. These dogs can be stubborn and may test your limits. It's important to stay calm and not lose your temper during training sessions. Pushing or yelling at your Akita will only lead to resistance and fear. Instead, take breaks if needed and resume training sessions when both you and your dog are calm and focused. 6. Leash training. Proper leash training is essential for an Akita's safety. Due to their strong prey drive and protective nature, Akitas may pull on the leash or show leash aggression. Start leash training early in your Akita's life and use positive reinforcement techniques to encourage loose leash walking. Practice walking calmly on a leash in different environments until your Akita becomes comfortable and obedient on walks. 7. Consistent boundaries. Akitas thrive when they have consistent boundaries and rules to follow. Establish clear rules within your household, such as where the Akita is allowed to go and what behaviors are acceptable. Avoid giving mixed messages or allowing undesirable behaviors. Consistency will help your Akita understand what is expected of them and promote good behavior. 8. Seek professional help. If you are finding it difficult to train your Akita or are facing specific behavioral challenges, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A professional dog trainer experienced in working with Akitas can provide guidance, techniques, and personalized solutions to address any training issues you may be facing. In conclusion, training an Akita requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. Starting early, being consistent, socializing your Akita, and using positive reinforcement techniques will help establish a strong foundation for basic commands and obedience. Remember to be patient, persistent, and seek professional help if needed. With the right training and guidance, your Akita can grow up to be a well-behaved